Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 8, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Now today's topic is oral questions. And you all know that in your oral test, your teacher will ask the question orally and you must give the answer orally. So that's why what will we do? We will practice the oral questions regularly. We will practice those questions again and again so that those answer that those answer can in our mind, and we can give the answer fluently, and when the teacher asks the question we will give the answer within a short period of time. So dear students, there are 25 questions for the oral test. So the first one is, what is the name of English rule established in Bengal and India? And the answer is, the English rule established in Bengal and India is known as colonial rule. Number 2, what is the European Peace Treaty known as? The answer is, the European Peace Treaty is known as Westphalia's Accords, and the Phaliers spelling F-A-L-L-I-E-R-S. Number 3, who built the Bahadur Shah Park? The answer is, Nawab Abdul Ghani of Dhaka built this park. Number 4, which department of Bangladesh government runs the museum at Mymensingh? And the answer is, the archaeological department of Bangladesh government runs the museum in Mymensingh. Number 5, why is the whole world undergoing a climate change? And the answer is, the whole world is undergoing a climate change due to temperature rise on the earth's surface or global warming. Now number 6, what is destroying the balance of ecology? The answer is, the huge boom of population, deforestation, mills and factories along with the engine vehicles are destroying the balance of ecology. Now number 7, what are the greenhouse gases? And the answer is, the less important gases available in the air like carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide are greenhouse gases. Number 8, what is the height of Toposphere from the sea level? The answer is, the Toposphere has an average height of 12 km from the sea level. Number 9, what is landslide? The answer is, the sudden fall of a mass of earth from a hill or mountain is called landslide or landfall. Number 10, which day is observed as Population Day in Bangladesh? And the answer is, 2nd February is observed as Population Day every year in Bangladesh. Now number 11, what is human resource development? And the answer is, turning manpower into skilled and productive assets through training in line with the demand is called human resource development. Number 12, what is GNP? And the answer is, gross national product or GNP is the total monetary value of all goods and services produced by the citizens of a country within a specific period. Now number 13, what is the main reason of juvenile offense in our country? And the answer is, poverty is the main reason of juvenile offense in our country. Number 14, how are the juveniles by nature? The answer is, the juveniles are curious by nature. Number 15, what is the ancient living place of the Garo ethnic community? The answer is, Tibet is the ancient living place of the Garo ethnic community. Number 16, what does Rakhine mean? The answer is, Rakhine means conservative nation who always try to protect their identity, culture and religious rituals. Number 17, when did Awami League declare Hartal in Dhaka city? The answer is, Awami League declared Hartal in Dhaka city on 2nd March 1971. Number 18, in which sector Jashore was during the Liberation War? And the answer is, during the Liberation War Jashore was in sector 8. Number 19, when was the manuscript enriched? And the answer is, manuscript was enriched during the Pal era. Number 20, who wrote Chandi Mangal? And the answer is, Mukundu Ram wrote Chandi Mangal. Number 21, where is Kantaji's temple located? The answer is, Kantaji's temple is located in Dinajpur. Number 22, what is the prime objective of SDG? And the answer is, removal of poverty is the prime objective of SDG. Number 23, when was the last amendment of the Constitution of Bangladesh passed? Last amendment, that means the 17th of the constitution, was passed by Jatiya Sangsad at 8th July 2018, and this is the answer of question number 13. Sorry, 23. 24. Which area is currently cultivating tea in Bangladesh? And the answer is currently tea is being cultivated in Bangladesh's Sylhet, Chattogram hill tracts, Dinajpur and Panchgarh. Now 25, and this is the last one. What is biodiversity? The answer is the way in which diverse living beings live in nature is called biodiversity. So there are 25 questions for your oral test, and dear students, you will do homework question number 1 to 10 from our today's class, and you will write only answer. I repeat, you will write only answer, you don't need to pick up the question. So question number 1 to 10 you will do the answer only as your homework. So, and this is homework number 17. So dear students, that's all for today, and I hope you have understood about today's topic. You will practice the oral questions regularly, and all of you will do your homework and submit it on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library. So dear students, all of you do your homework regularly, because your SBA city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So dear students, practice a lot, study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.